What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. So today I'm gonna show you guys how to diagnose if your third braking light is not working, if it is the light that is broken or if it is the circuit is broken. So this pretty much applies to any vehicle. As you can see, this is a Mitsubishi Lancer Evo, and I've run into a problem that this third high brake light, whatever you want to call it, stopped working. And I'm gonna show you guys how I diagnose that is the LED braking light. So first thing first, I'm gonna take off this cover, and it's pretty much just these plastic, and pretty much you can pretty much using your hand to take it out like that. You push, you want to pull on that part and then it just comes off. So now I've taken all those clips off and that thing just should easily slide off. Just gonna leave it there, and now you pretty much can see that that is the third brake light. So pretty much testing that, you need to have a multimeter, just like this. Most multimeter will work. So what you want to do is you want to unplug the plug first, and you want to turn the car onto the ignition, and then you have to have someone to press on the brake for you, or you put something heavy on the brake so it triggers the brake to send a current or voltage through the braking system. And what you want to do is you want to use the multimeter to, I'll show you guys. So I just unplugged that, and what you want to do is you want to have your multimeter, the read on the voltage, and you want to turn it into the 20 volt, this, because pretty much in all the cars the battery are 12 volt, so 20 volt be enough and give you the most accurate rating. And as you can see, there are two pins there. What you want to do is you want to have these, one go to each pin, and when you have someone press on the brake, the voltage should go up. If it doesn't, that means there's a short in the circuit or the fuse is blown out. If you can read there is voltage, then that means it's the light that is shorting out. It's the LED light that is the problem. So as you can see, I've got the brake on, and tail light is working, but that one isn't. So normally if it's a fuse, it should have one fuse for all these braking lights, for the third high, whatever you're going to call it, the brake light and the normal tail lights. So now I'm going to have the multimeter here, and so as you guys can see, I've got the pin in there, and the multimeter is showing there are 11 volt voltage that is going through the plug. So as you guys just saw, it does have voltage going through this plug when you have your foot on the brake. So that means there are voltage and current going through the light. It's just the light is not working. So normally all you guys need with older cars, you just need to replace the bulb. But with this particular model, this is a LED. So pretty much you have to undo that bolt, and then this unit comes off, and you just need to replace the whole light. And yeah, that's pretty much it. How you diagnose your whether if it's your third brake light that is a problem, or is the car or is the circuit in your car is a problem. Leave your thoughts in the comment section, and I hope this video helped you guys out. Alright, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.